Learning Unreal Engine isn't about memorizing buttons, it's about understanding its core logic. This course is designed to take you from a beginner to a developer who truly understands how game worlds are built from the ground up. The foundation. We start with the essentials. You'll master the UI and navigation, but more importantly, you'll learn the industry standard naming conventions and scene management rules used by professional studios. From navigating the content browser to importing your own 3D models and leveraging Quixel, we ensure your foundation is rock solid. World building. Next, we move into world building. Through a dedicated forest project, you'll learn the technical side of landscapes. We don't just paint grass, we dive deep into landscape material control, foliage systems, and the technical implementation of fog and post-processing to create a cohesive, immersive environment. Workflow and production. A great Unreal Engine artist needs an efficient workflow. You'll learn how to migrate assets properly between projects and how to integrate DCCs and Substance Painter into your pipeline. We cover collisions, decals, and the creation of master materials, the core system used in production to keep your project organized and optimized. Cinematics and storytelling. Once your world is built, you need to show it off. We dive into camera placement and a sequencer, teaching you how to tell a story through movement. You'll master the movie render queue and camera rigs to capture high-quality video and cinematic sequences directly from the engine. The power of light. Lighting is what defines your world. We break down the mechanics of global illumination and lumen. Instead of just copying settings, you'll learn the architecture behind lumen so you can troubleshoot and light your game scenes with confidence and precision. Technical art and performance. To finish Chapter 1, we tackle the technical side of art. You'll master light functions, blueprint actors, and the critical difference between path tracing and light baking. We focus heavily on light map density and performance, teaching you how to achieve high-end visuals that actually run smoothly on a game engine. This isn't just a one-off tutorial. This is Chapter 1 of a comprehensive path toward mastering environment art in Unreal Engine. Start here. Build your world. Build it right. Join the course today.